G'day and welcome to our last video in the end of year superannuation strategies video series. My name is Robert Gowdy from Consortium Private Wealth, and in this video we're going to look at spouse contributions. Not used really commonly. The co-contributions one is generally the one that gets the most bang for your buck, but there's still a fair bit of value here to be received if people are eligible. And again, we're chasing a very healthy return, not quite 50% like the co-contributions is, but 18% return on your money is still a really good result, and what I call the low-hanging fruit that we shouldn't ignore. So to be eligible, you need to make a non-concessional contribution of up to $3,000 into an eligible spouse's superannuation fund to be eligible for the spouse contribution. If you make a $3,000 contribution and they're eligible, you'll get a 18% tax offset. So the government's not paying you money, not paying it into your superannuation. It's going to be a reduction in the tax you pay. But obviously it's very real. It's $540. So that's that 18% return if you make the maximum $3,000 contribution to your spouse's superannuation. Your spouse's income needs to be $37,000 or less, and it cuts out at $40,000. So there's a small window there. That the lower threshold used to be around $12,500, so that was increased substantially a few years back. So a lot more people are eligible now. And again, this is one that I call the low-hanging fruit, some of the easy strategies that we can implement prior to the end of financial year, if the cash flow allows us to do so. The spouse who's receiving the contribution must have less than $1.6 million in superannuation, and that should have been 30 June 2019, not 2018. And obviously, if the spouse is under 70 years of age, obviously it needs to be within their non-concessional contribution caps, and you must meet the work test as well, which is the 40 hours over a 30-day time frame. So well worth doing. Start combining these things with co-contributions, spouse contributions, and all of a sudden there's a lot of value that builds up over time. And obviously if we do these things early enough, we get the effect of compounding interest within superannuation, which makes tens of thousands of dollars worth of difference down the track. Thanks for listening. Hope these small quick videos were of value, and yeah, we'll catch you next week. Thanks for listening.